Hey everyone, Demaya here. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive cash. So today, I'm gonna walk you through how to use it in the Credit Union One mobile app. If you're new to using Zelle within the app, don't worry. It's a quick and simple setup. To get started, open your Credit Union One mobile app. Tap More at the bottom of your screen. All right, now you'll see payments and transfers. Click that. From there, select Send Money with Zelle. You'll need to verify your identity first. Once you receive and enter the code, the app will display the service agreement. Take a moment to read it and then click Agree. Click Get Started and choose how you want to register, either your email address or mobile number. Then, select the account you want to use to send and receive money. If you're already using Zelle with a different account, you'll have the option to transfer your registration to Credit Union One. The email or number you provided will be sent a verification code. Once you receive the code, type it in, and you'll be officially enrolled. Remember, Zelle is all about sending money to people you know and trust. Congratulations! You're ready to send and receive with Zelle. Tap Continue and then select Send. Need to add a new person? Easy! Just tap the person icon and enter their info. This is important. Double check you're sending money to the right person. The money is sent within minutes after you hit send. Remember, once this transaction is complete, there are no transaction reversals. If you want, add a quick note like, "Thanks for the coffee." Then click send and that's it. The person you paid gets a notification right away. See? Quick, easy, done. Remember, with Credit Union One, you're not just a member, you're part of the community. And we're always here to help you make the most of your financial journey. Just head to cu1.org/mobile. Don't forget to watch the other walkthrough videos for more ways to simplify your life. Take care.